The anterior cruciate ligament is a major ligament located in the middle of the knee which connects the femur to the tibia. It stabilizes the forward and backward movement of the knee and during rotation. Its rupture results in instability and abnormal play of the knee during flexion and extension. In this case, it must be repaired. Anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction is performed arthroscopically. The old ligament is prepared and partially cleaned. Using a compass drill guide, a pin is accurately positioned where the anterior cruciate ligament naturally inserts into the femur. This pin guides the drill bit to create the femoral tunnel. The same procedure is carried out on the tibia. A tunnel is created and ends at the natural tibial insertion of the anterior cruciate ligament. The tendons harvested beforehand are passed through these tunnels, recreating the anterior cruciate ligament from where it is attached to the tibia to where it is attached to the femur. The tendons are attached using interference screws. These trap the tendons in the bone of the tibia and the femur. These screws will break down over time. As much as possible of the old anterior cruciate ligament is retained to help promote cell colonization on the new ligament. The stability of the knee is thus restored. This operation is performed arthroscopically through small incisions using a camera to visualize the joint, minimizing scarring and enabling faster recovery.